That's a big sub. That's a big sub. So you got 3 of these in here right now?
Yeah, one's blown.
Is this the one that blew?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Was that today?
Yesterday.
I got all one fit. Woo. I couldn't imagine it with the 4th one in.
Yeah, I'm missing 2 amps as well.
Really?
I usually have 1 amp per sub, but I had to send 2 out. I bought 4, but 1 came in bad, so I'm on 2 right now.
So what all is in here equipment-wise?
It's 4 Z4s, and it's going to be 4. Right now it's 2 DD Z2Bs.
Okay.
So.
What is your tuning?
It peaks at 28 hertz, which is too low. I gotta, change the box up a little bit and get it a little higher, but I just got the subs. I swapped them out. So.
That's solid. That helps. Yeah.
It helps a little bit.
Yeah. Have you metered it when it was on full power?
No. With the 3 it did 158.
Really? Nice. Okay. Can I see the amp real quick? The amp?
Yeah. It's like all my stuff back there, but you can take a look. Doing my clothes and stuff.
That's alright. Don't worry about it.
Alright.
Well, nice to meet you, man. What was your name?
Larry.
Jacob.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for the demo, Larry.
Yeah,
that's pretty windy, even with the door open.
Yeah.
Anyway, nice to meet you, Larry. Thank you.
Yep.
Somebody need to go get it.
I couldn't imagine it with the 4th one in.
Yeah, I'm missing 2 amps as well.
Really?
I usually have 1 amp per sub, but I had to send 2 out. I bought 4, but 1 came in bad, so I'm on 2 right now.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.